Hello champions. In today's lesson, we will learn how to optimize your LinkedIn profile. और आज के समय में LinkedIn प्रोफाइल को ऑप्टिमाइज करना बहुत जरूरी है। LinkedIn के थ्रू ही आप अपने कनेक्शंस बिल्ड कर सकते हैं, रिलेशन बिल्ड कर सकते हैं और जॉब के लिए अप्लाई भी कर सकते हैं। आपको किसी भी जॉब पोर्टल की जरूरत भी नहीं है। LinkedIn इज इनफ फॉर यू. But the problem is you are underutilizing this particular tool, and the tool is free of cost for you. Don't go for the premium version. You can use it free of cost. So please invest few of your time, few of your energy on this particular tool, LinkedIn. So here we go. Profile optimization. I hope the screen is visible to you guys. 14 million plus jobs are available on LinkedIn, and let me tell you that all 14 million will be genuine. Few will be of course fake, but most of them, 99% of them, will be genuine, because LinkedIn has इट्स ओन वेरिफिकेशन प्रोसेस. तो ये सारी जेन्युइन जॉब्स हैं जो आप मिस आउट कर रहे हैं लिंक्डइन पर ना रहकर. लिंक्डइन पर टाइम स्पेंड करना स्टार्ट कीजिए, ऑप्टिमाइज कीजिए. मैं जितने भी आज टिप्स और ट्रिक्स बताऊंगा वो सारी चीजें आप इंप्लीमेंट कीजिए अपनी प्रोफाइल में, एंड विद इन 2-3 days यू विल सी द डिफरेंस. विद इन 2-3 days डू ऑल दोस थिंग्स. नेक्स्ट, प्रोफाइल सीक्रेट्स. ओके, नाउ आई थिंक इट्स विजिबल. प्रोफाइल के मैं कुछ सीक्रेट्स आपके साथ शेयर करने वाला हूं, और रिक्वेस्ट आपसे यही है कि इसको इंप्लीमेंट कीजिए आज से ही. फर्स्ट, इट्स नॉट विजिबल. ओके, फर्स्ट you have to update your profile 3 times a day. I know this is crazy, huh? I know that this seems to be very, very crazy, because you might be updating your LinkedIn profile maybe within 1 year or in next 6 months. आप खुद से पूछ कर देखिए. आप मुझे कमेंट में बताइए, प्लीज राइट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन, आपने लास्ट अपने LinkedIn प्रोफाइल अपडेट किस टाइम करी थी, कितने टाइम पहले करी थी, कितने महीने पहले करी थी, कितने साल पहले करी थी. सो प्लीज स्टार्ट अपडेटिंग योर LinkedIn प्रोफाइल 3 times a day. आई विल गिव यू द रीजन. And if in case you are not able to update your profile 3 times a day, at least do update it once a day. Once a day तो update उसको करना ही करना है. Why? In 3 time zones, recruiter are searching for you on LinkedIn. 8 to 10 a.m., 1 to 2 p.m. and 5 to 7 p.m. In these particular timings, you should अपडेट योर प्रोफाइल, क्योंकि यही वो टाइम जोन्स हैं जब रिक्रूटर आपके लिए सर्च कर रहे हैं. सो अपडेट करते ही जो लिंक्डइन का एल्गोरिथम है उसके अकॉर्डिंग आप सबसे ऊपर हिट कर सकते हैं. कंडीशन इज दैट इफ यू अपडेट योर रेज्यूमे एंड प्रोफाइल, सॉरी, अपडेट योर प्रोफाइल. नेक्स्ट, हेडलाइन एंड टाइटल. हाउ टू यूज दैट? आई विल टेल यू by going into my LinkedIn profile. Profile picture, cover image, about section, your summary. You have to edit profile picture and URL. Very, very important. You all will be missing it. I know that. I'll tell you. Into my profile, LinkedIn profile only. Contact details, achievements, add job role and description. You are not doing it. Today onwards, start doing it. I will take you to my LinkedIn profile. Then I'll tell you all these things. Recommendations and endorsements. Somebody recommends you, that actually, like, I have recommendations for myself, I have endorsements for myself on my LinkedIn profile. They are endorsing me, they are recommending me that yes, Ankit is perfect. If you really want to learn communication, if you really want to learn public speaking, Ankit is the person you can approach to. So first of all, you have to add relevant skills. Add your relevant skills and then ask for a recommendation and endorsements. You will get that. Whom to ask? You can ask your college professors, college dean, ask your friends to do that. So please start doing that. Posting thing. You have to be active on LinkedIn. I'm telling you to update your profile 3 times. That means you have to be active on LinkedIn all the time. Like most of the time. You should, please don't waste your time on Facebook and posting their pictures on Instagram and all that stuff. Please use your time, use your social media time efficiently and effectively. So please post on a daily basis if possible. Post an article. Like I am a communication coach, so I can post an article related to communication and public speaking. And after every piece of content, after every article, there should be CTA. Don't forget to mention that. CTA is call to action. Call to action क्या है, आप क्या चाहते हैं? Maybe you can say that comment below. I want to know your perspective. So please comment below. Something like that. That is CTA. Next, engage. Please start engaging with other posts. And whenever you are engaging with other posts, please don't post thank you, welcome, this is so awesome, this is nice piece of content. Please don't do that. Please do this type of stuff on Facebook and Insta. This is an intellectual प्लेटफॉर्म. ये एक इंटेलेक्चुअल प्लेटफॉर्म है, प्रोफेशनल प्लेटफॉर्म है. यहां पर आपको थोड़ा सा उसको अपने कमेंट को, अपने आंसर को थोड़ा सा लेंदी करना है. Maybe within 5 or 6 lines, you need to explain what you are trying to say, how you are trying to complement that particular article जिसमें आप engage कर रहे हैं. At least 20-30 words you have to use. Next, you have to follow the trends. On the extreme right hand side of your LinkedIn profile, you will see LinkedIn news. That is very, very beneficial. You have to use that news for yourself. You can have your article ideas from that news. Next, hashtags. Please use proper hashtags. Hashtag अगर आप use नहीं कर रहे हैं, first of all start writing content on LinkedIn. Maybe your a piece of content in a form of blog or in a form of flyer जिसमें आपकी पिक रहेगी और आप कुछ बताना चाह रहे हैं, आप कुछ educate कर रहे हैं अपने listeners को, अपने viewers को, अपनी audience को, related to your niche only, related to your forte only. Like I always produce content related to communication and public speaking. That's it. मैं किसी भी थर्ड टॉपिक के बारे में बात नहीं करता. पिछले 4 साल से आप मेरी कोई भी सोशल मीडिया प्रोफाइल उठा के देख लीजिए. I only talk about 2 things: communication and public speaking. And of course, I talk about motivation because motivation is very much important in all walks of life. Next, तो मैं hashtags का आपको बता रहा था. Please use proper hashtags. Please go to my posts and see which hashtags I am using. Please go to profile of the people you follow. Please check their hashtags, what hashtags they are using, and start using those hashtags in your post also, in your content also. Next, please use LinkedIn search engine effectively. I am saying LinkedIn search engine. This is a search engine in itself. Google is different and LinkedIn अपने आप में एक 100% सर्च इंजन है, अपनी एक दुनिया है. So please use it effectively. So you can add yourself in the relevant groups, the group that excites you, that the group that is of your interest. जैसे कि मैं कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स और पब्लिक स्पीकिंग स्किल्स के बहुत सारे ग्रुप्स में ऐड हूं. So I got to know the content what people are creating and they want to educate. What they are educating, I got to know that thing by only being in that groups, free of cost. Next, you have to follow the relevant people. Relevant people को follow कीजिए. Let's suppose you are into data mining, data analytics, data something, कुछ टेक्निकल सा अगर कुछ काम आप करते हैं, you can follow सुंदर पिचई or something like that. You can follow Mark Zuckerberg. That is just an example. So please follow the industry experts in your niche, in your forte. So this is it from my side, and now I will take you to my LinkedIn profile to tell you all these things: headlines, title, profile picture, cover image, about section, URL. 99% आप में से लोग गलती कर रहे होंगे URL में. I'll tell you contact details, job role, everything. And here we go. Yeah, I hope that you can see my LinkedIn profile. Okay, first thing first, on the right hand side, it's LinkedIn news. You will get to know a lot of news and a lot of news related to your forte also. Please go through this LinkedIn news and have a look at the articles that they are creating. Next, come on the left hand side. This is my name, Ankit R. Jain, communication and public speaking coach. In the description below, what's written? Founder, Communication Champions Hub, and Professor Bada Business, an initiative by Dr. Vivek Bindra. Now, whosoever will visit my profile, they need not to go into my profile, inside my profile. वो उनको बाहर से ही समझ में आ जाएगा that ये कोई अंकित जैन है. He is a coach. He is a communication सिखाते हैं और public speaking सिखाते हैं, and he is the founder at XYZ and professor at Bada Business. That's it. He got to know everything about me in this particular thing. Now we go inside my profile. Okay, this is my profile. This is my profile picture in the round format. This is me, very clear picture with a light background and very much clear and very much energetic and very much enthusiastic picture it is. Yes or no? Yeah. So you are getting some energy out of that picture also, out of that pic also. Please post this type of picture of yours. Next, your this was your profile picture. Next is your cover image behind that profile picture. Just have a look. Want help to excel your communication skills? Hi, I am Ankit. Let's talk. This is my free strategy call that I offer to the clients, that I offer to everyone, to anyone and everyone. This is me, Ankit Jain, offering my free strategy call to tell you that how you can improve your communication skills. Next, on the right hand side, it's written edit profile picture and URL. Please start doing this, all these things, guys, in your profile. Here we go. On the right hand side, edit your custom URL. My URL is Coach Ankit Official. Why this is so? Because my Instagram handle and Facebook handle are the same. Coach Ankit Official is my ID everywhere. Hence, this is the same ID here in LinkedIn also. Otherwise, LinkedIn ने मुझे बहुत ही एक बड़ी सी और बहुत ही awkward सी एक ID दी थी. That was very lengthy. So please make this change in your profile also. Whatever you want to keep, please keep that thing in your URL. Now let us move forward. So this is my profile. This is my cover image. This is my background image. And this is me, Ankit R. Jain, communication and public speaking coach, founder, Communication Champions Hub, and Professor Bada Business. On the right hand side, you can see Dr. Vivek Bindra, Bada Business, Bordeaux École de Management. That was my college in France, जहां से मैंने MBA की पढ़ाई करी है. 500 plus connections. आगे चलते हैं. About section. Yeah, this is my about section. Within approximate 200 to 300 words, I have explained everything about myself. Just go to my profile, have a look at my summary of my profile, that what I do and how I can help you. Everything is there in my summary. So you also please do that. Next, I am featured. Featured where? This is my YouTube channel. On the right hand side, you can see me in the blazer, and on the left hand side, this I was featured on Josh Talk. Josh Talks में मेरा एक वीडियो है. Just go and watch that video. Otherwise, you can click here also in my profile. Next, here you can see 2008 followers I am having. 2008 लोग मुझे follow करते हैं. Experience. Now here is the experience. I am the Professor Bada Business. I am the entrepreneurship mentor at CGI, Confederation of Global Innovators. I am the founder at Communication Champions Hub, and I work in income tax department. That also you also know already. And this is my education, Bordeaux École de Management in France. Let's move forward. This is a very important section, skills and endorsements. Please ask your friends to endorse you. They will give you endorsement, and you can give endorsement in return. That is very easy for you. So people will endorse you. You can see here some Vaishali Kumari has endorsed me for my skill, for some skill of mine. Dan Ram has endorsed me for my skill. Recommendations. Now this is a game changer. You can see in my profile, I have a recommendation from Saurav Pal. He is also a coach. He is a hike specialist and he is a good friend of mine, and he has recommended me. You can just have a look at the words he used. This is very, very useful, because whenever you will apply for any job, they will first of all jump on to your LinkedIn profile. They will screen your LinkedIn profile. These are my interests, and this is it about my LinkedIn profile. So you also go and optimize your LinkedIn profile. Don't miss out this opportunity, free of cost opportunity, guys. Okay, whatever you feel like and whatever queries you have, write in the comment section. Happy to help. Thank you.